Top 3 Best Discord Servers for Valorant. Hey everyone, are you a die-hard Valorant fan looking to step up your game or find like-minded teammates? Well, you have come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into top 3 best Discord servers for Valorant that every player should know about. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So in first up, we have got the official Valorant Discord server, managed by Riot Games themselves. This server is the ultimate hub for everything Valorant. From the latest news to updates to lively discussion with over 1.3 million members. This is where the magic happens. Whether you are looking to chat with strategy, discover new updates, or just vibe with fellow fans, this server has got you covered. So next on the list is Valorant LFG server. If you are tired of solo queuing or just want to build a dream team, this is the place to be. With a community of over 898,000 members, you can find teammates for casual games or ranked matches. Plus, the server is super organized, making it easy to find players who match your skill level. Say goodbye to those frustration solo game and say hello to the victory in this server. And finally, we have the Valorant Academy. This server is perfect for those of you looking to sharpen your skills and climb the ranks. It is packed with resources like coaching sessions, strategy guides, and a supportive community that's all about improvement. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned player, the Valorant Academy will help you level up your game. So, there you have it, the top 3 best Discord servers for Valorant. Each one offers something unique, from official updates and vibrant discussions to finding teammates and improving your skills. With this, I hope this video cleared things up for you, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome Valorant content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.